Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to crochet this pretty Christmas tree. One of the 7 in this series of trees made with thick yarn, and that's why fast and easy to crochet. They can become a part of your holiday decor, a tree ornament, or an interesting project to do with kids before Christmas, since these trees can be decorated any way you want. Before we begin, please press the like button if you like my videos, subscribe if you have not yet, and maybe leave a comment. All this helps a lot to promote the channel and cost you nothing. Thank you. The size of your tree will, of course, depend on what you are going to use to make it, what hook you are going to use, and how tightly you crochet. I used this yarn. It's 100% acrylic, 2.5 ounces, 230 yards. And the recommended hook here is 5 millimeters, but I prefer to use my 4mm hook. And the size of all my trees is about 4.25 inches without a loop hanger. The height of your tree will also depend on whether you are going to make a trunk for it. All the trees that I showed before do not have trunks, but trunks are easy to add to any of them, making 2 rows of approximately 6 or 7 single crochet stitches. And it can be done using brown or green yarn. Let's begin. This tree is very easy to make. It consists of only 3 rounds. We'll start here in the middle with chain 7, which will make into a ring. And then in that ring, we'll make 3 groups of 5 double crochets separated by chain 5. So I'm making chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a slip stitch in the first of those chain stitches. Now chain 3 is the first double crochet, and then working this end of thread in, I'm making groups of double crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 5, 5 more double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 5, and the last group of 5 double crochets. 3, 4, 5, chain 5, and a slip stitch in the third beginning chain. Like this end can be cut off now. In the second round, we'll continue making groups of 5 double crochets, chain 5, and 5 double crochets in each chain 5 space. We'll start here and we'll go in this direction. At first we'll make chain 6. The first 3 chain stitches will be counted as a double crochet, part of this group of double crochets that we are going to make here. And then chain 3. Chain 3 will separate those groups of double crochets that we are going to make in each corner. So now we'll start working in this chain 5 space, making 5 double crochets, 3, 4, 5, chain 5, and 5 more double crochets in the same chain 5 space. 3, 4, 5. Between those groups we'll be making chain 3. And now 5 double crochets again. Chain 5. In each corner we are making chain 5, and once again 5 double crochets. Now chain 3 and 5 double crochets. Chain 5, and now we are making 4 double crochets, because you remember we started with the double crochet here, so we have 4 left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and a slip stitch in the third chain. Okay, so it looks like this now. Now to the third and the last round, where we are going to try to make this side a little more narrow and these sides a little longer, so our triangle looked more like a tree. And to do that, in these corners, while we continue making 5 and 5 double crochets, we'll be making just chain 2 between them. Chain 2 here also. And here we'll add a few triple crochets and 1 triple treble crochet. As always, chain 3 is the first double crochet. Now we'll make 5 double crochets in this chain 3 space. Four, 5. And we'll make a double crochet in this first double crochet of the next group of 5. So we made 7. Now chain 2, 5 double crochets in this corner, the bottom corner of the tree. 3, 4, 5, chain 2, and 5 double crochets again. Chain 3 now, and 5 double crochets. This time chain 2, and we'll start making double crochets in double crochets, the last 2. 1, 2. 2 more double crochets in this chain 5 space. 2 triple crochets, the first one, the second one, and 1 triple treble crochet, so thread over, yarn over 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now make a loop hanger, leave it behind your work. Insert the hook in the top of this triple treble crochet and continue working. Now in the opposite direction we are making 2 triple crochets, 1, another one, 2, 2 double crochets, and 2 double crochets in these double crochets. 1, 2. Now chain 2, 5 double crochets here in this chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 3 this time, and in this corner 5 double crochets, chain 2 in this corner, and 5 more double crochets. Chain 2 and a slip stitch here in the third beginning chain. And that's it, the tree is ready. The easiest way to make a tree trunk, if you want to make it, would be to continue working with green yarn and make 7 single crochets, 3 rows. But since I started making brown trunks on other trees, I will continue with brown yarn. So I will insert the hook in this third chain, and we'll make a single crochet. And then continue making single crochets, working both ends in. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 single crochets, chain 1, 7 on the other side, and because this tree is relatively big, I would make another row, of single crochets. Like this. To decorate this tree, I made little red bows and glued small beads on them, and made a little bigger bow for the top. This is it for now. On my channel there are many other videos with items of Christmas decor and Christmas tree ornaments, from something that is very easy to make to quite elaborate projects. Watch them if you want to. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.